Okay, well, we're at our destination. Nice parking over there. Even better parking over here, huh? And those storms, they kind of are building and then just sort of passing through. This big cluster over here just came out of nowhere, but nothing severe with that. If we go outside here real quick, of course, go outside here, that's just the rain. A nice little rain, a little bit of lightning here and there. A good soaking, let's put it that way. Something we've needed here for the last couple of weeks. It was a good soaking, a nice good long rain. And we're getting that. So hopefully won't do any damage. I seriously doubt. But it's definitely something we needed, and it's below severe limits. What's so funny, buddy? What? What is it?
No escape.
What?
No escape.
No escape?
That's the mission.
Let's replay Grand Theft Auto Vice City Part 44, huh? Who's giggling so much? I have no idea. Okay, well, I'm gonna go.
That's the Law and Order Special Business Unit. That was what the Steven Sean and then credits.
Oh, you just like the music, though, right?
And there's the Malibu Club got the properties and the assets.
Assets.
So she has someone to talk to. Because I guess she doesn't have very many people, many friends that, to talk to.
Good afternoon, everybody. It's Thursday. Not too bad out. It's about 84, 85 degrees, but the humidity is a little bit strong. Well, not a lot going on yet today. Listen to some music in the background here. I smacked my arm on this, which I need to get this car to the car wash. I washed it the other day, and of course it stormed last night about 1, 2 o'clock in the morning. Previous footage. Anyway, we just headed up to the store, get some odds and ends and groceries, and I'm also going to be kind of window shopping for a couple things as well. So come along for the ride. Okay, well, we're at our destination. Nice parking over there. Even better parking over here, huh? Anyway, let's grab a cart here real quick. Well, these two are stuck together. There we go. See if we get a rickety one. See, the problem with having an Android phone, there is no Facetime for it, so the closest thing is something like Skype. And Skype can actually cost, but only if you make like long distance calls. I don't know if FaceTime has that capability, but Skype is a little flaky sometimes. Why don't you turn on the light in his room? Some people.
Okay. Now, look.
All right, fine.
Blue shirt and black pants.
All right.
Blue pants.
Somebody wants French fries again today. Gimme. Because my remote control actually did work. If I don't run into any other cars here. That really reminds me, I gotta find a new leg. This goes to our old post box that actually broke after 50 some years, or maybe less. Anyway, we're done up here. It's not bad out, it's just really freaking humid. Yeah, somebody did something. There's a couple police cars just leaving the lot, so yeah, somebody got busted for something. Believe that shit? Come on now. Right back here. Maybe that'll work better. Don't have that much of a wide angle lens. Come on. Can't see completely behind me. Don't run out in the street.
Where?
Yeah, dipshit. Okay. Well, it's just too damn hot on that dashboard there. It's saying it's 98. I don't know if you can see that there, but it's saying it's 98. I don't know if it's 98, but I don't know. It was 85 when we left. But then again, that was with the car sitting in the garage. So that could have made a pretty good difference.
5 degrees in Lincoln, your heat index anywhere from 100 and
For tomorrow?
105 degrees. A 20% chance.
97 tomorrow?
But higher chances into
Again?
Into your Friday. Into the afternoon.
Wow, it says it's just over 100 degrees right now outside.
That's why there is a heat index.
Heat index 100, 105 for tomorrow. Just close to us. I don't know. I'm waiting. Yeah, there we go. Sunday, Monday, Tuesdays in the upper to mid 80s. Now, what's it setting out right now? Well, let's see. It says 99 and up. And that's right out in the backyard. What's for dinner tonight? Pizza. Tombstone. Supreme. We put that one on. Bake. Up to 400 degrees. Cook time. It says 18 to 20, so I put it on 18. And start. And pizza is done.
KD0PTK, KD0PTR. No comments. Thanks, John. We had a hunt and only 2 hunters and 1 fox. It'd be great to get more people out there. So I need feedback. You people who are...
Problem is, it's too hot. Gas isn't that cheap and everything, and people just don't want to play.
With nighttime, plan for this
They don't
Saturday,
want to get into
7 o'clock.
local law enforcement or property owners.
This is KB0TXA back to net control.
A few years ago and everything, they did a lot of fox hunting around here, signal chasing, whatever you want to call it, and everything. CBers call it playing skunk or whatever it is. It was fun a few years ago, but now it's just played out. Anyway, let's head into here. I gotta reorganize this over here in the garage. And I think my battery just died.